Hi everyone and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these very versatile handles that are ideal for purses or bags or anything like that. And for this project, I'm going to be working with some cotton macrame cord. You can use any sort of cord that you want and basically any size that you think will look good with your project. I'm also going to be using some key rings. And so if you want to make 2 handles, you're going to need 4 key rings. But if you only want to make 1 handle, then you'll just need 2. So the first thing you want to do is cut 2 macrame cords to your desired length, plus about 3 inches. And that way, when you fold your 2 cords in half, they're roughly the same size, and they're also roughly the size that you want them to be. And like I said, you want to add about 3 inches to both of them. In addition to your 2 cords that you cut to your desired length, you also want to cut 2 more cords to about 2 feet in length. We're going to begin by folding our first cord that we cut to our desired length in half. Then we're going to draw the 2 ends of our cord through our key ring, like this. And you want to overlap by about 1 inch to 1.5 inches with your fold like this. Now grabbing your 2-foot length macrame cord, you're going to pinch one end of it up with your sort of hold that you have on your fold here. Then you're going to create a loop with it and pinch that right here. Now what you're going to do is draw that macrame cord around all of your fold and your loop and the sort of end of this cord here. You're just going to keep wrapping it around and around and around. And I like to wrap mine about 6 times, but you can wrap this as many times as you want. Then you're just going to draw the end through your loop like this. Now you're going to pull on your other end of that same cord right here. You're just going to give it a nice tight yank. Now I'm going to cut my bottom tail close to that knot. And I'm going to pull on my top tail until my knot is completely hidden under these loops here. And it might take a little trial and error to get that tail fully hidden, but once you've pulled it all the way inside of your loops here, then you can cut off your starting tail. And what I recommend is sort of pull back your loops a little bit and cut this off as tightly as you can to them. And so now you can sort of pull your upper loops up just a hair to hide that tail as well. So you've now created the first part of your purse handle. Now you're going to grab the other cord that you cut to your desired length and wrap it through your current handle that you just created like this. Make sure you line your 2 ends up again, and then you're going to draw your key ring through your 2 ends just like we did on the first side. Again, you want to leave about 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So now we're going to tie our same knot on the other side here. And so now you are done and you have completed your first handle. So go ahead and repeat these steps if you need to create a second handle. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.